Hello and welcome to a video on Microsoft 365 for Enterprise Security. This video specifically talks about security management. My name is Iman Masood and I am the Marketing Officer at Communications Core, a Microsoft Gold Partner. In this video, we'll be discussing how you can use Microsoft 365 to manage security in your organization more effectively. Specifically, we'll be looking at two powerful tools, Microsoft Defender for Cloud and Windows Defender Security Center. This is the last part of our latest series in Microsoft 365 for Enterprise Security. So don't forget to check out for our other 3 videos from this series where we talk in detail about identity and access management, threat protection, and information protection. One of the key components of effective security management is having a central security dashboard. This dashboard provides a single view of your organization's security status, making it easier for your IT team to quickly identify and respond to security threats. With Microsoft 365, you can easily set up a central security dashboard using the features available in Microsoft Defender for Cloud and Windows Defender Security Center. Let's take a closer look on how you can use these tools to set up a central security dashboard. Microsoft 365 for Cloud is a powerful tool that provides a range of features to help you monitor and manage security across your organization. Here is how you can use Microsoft Defender for iCloud to set up a central security dashboard. Step 1 is to connect Microsoft Defender for Cloud to your organization's data sources. This includes connecting to your Microsoft 365 tenant, Azure Active Directory, and other sources of data within your organization. Next step is to use Microsoft Defender for Cloud's Threat Analytics feature to monitor and analyze threat data. This includes using features like advanced threat hunting, automated investigation and response, and threat intelligence to quickly identify and respond to security threats. Step number 3 is to use Microsoft Defender for iCloud device management features to manage devices across your organization. This includes managing security settings and configurations as well as managing device compliance. Now coming towards step number 4, which is to conduct vulnerability assessments using Microsoft Defender for Cloud built-in capabilities. This includes scanning devices and systems for vulnerabilities, identifying potential security risks, and taking steps to mitigate those risks. Lastly, using Microsoft Defender for Cloud reporting and insight features to track your organization's security posture over time. This includes using dashboards and reports to monitor security incidents, track compliance, and identify trends and patterns in security data. Fourth segment that we're going to discuss is setting up a central security dashboard with Windows Defender Security Center. In addition to Microsoft Defender for Cloud, Windows Defender Security Center is another tool that can help you manage security more effectively. Windows Defender Security is a built-in feature of Windows 10 and provides a range of security features. Here is how you can help use Windows Defender Security Center to set up a central security dashboard. Step 1 is to configure Windows Defender Security Center is to meet your organization's security needs. This includes configuring settings for antivirus, firewall, and other security features. Step number 2 is to use Windows Defender Security Central real-time threat protection features to detect and respond to security threats as they occur. This includes using features like cloud-delivered protection, behavior monitoring, and machine learning to identify and block malicious activity. Next up is to use Windows Defender Security Center's device health and performing monitoring features to identify potential security risks. This includes monitoring device health performance and other metrics to identify potential security issues. Moving on to the next number, step number 4, which is to use Windows Defender Security Reporting and Insight features to track your organization's security posture over time. This includes using dashboards and reports to monitor security incidents, track compliance, and identify trends and patterns in security data. In conclusion, Microsoft 365 provides powerful tools like Microsoft Defender for Cloud and Windows Defender Security Center to help you manage security more effectively across your organization. By using these tools, you can set up a central security dashboard, monitor and analyze threat data, manage devices, conduct vulnerability assessments, and more. If you're looking for a trusted partner to help you with security management using Microsoft 365, Communication Square is the perfect choice. As a Microsoft Gold partner and managed service provider, they have the expertise and experience to guide you through the process of safeguarding your organization against cyber threats. The segment 6 is about Communication Square as a managed service provider. As we conclude this series on Microsoft 365 Enterprise Security, we would like to avail the opportunity to introduce Communication Square, Microsoft's preferred partner. Communication Square Managed Service for Microsoft 365 can help you achieve a secure and compliant environment so you can focus on running your business. We offer a range of services including security assessments, implementations, and ongoing management of Microsoft 365 security features. Don't wait until it's too late to secure your organization against cyber threats. Reach out to Communication Square today to learn more about our managed services for Microsoft 365